Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn an extra $7 for each viewed TikTok video. Another day of learning new ways how to earn money online this 2023. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Earning while watching TikTok videos. Who wouldn't want that? And how about making $7 for each video you watch? The more you watch, the more you earn. Let's be real. This could be one of the easiest side hustles out there. So stick around until the end and I'll spill the beans on tricks and techniques to ramp up your online earnings. First things first, go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you're in, just type in viral dances in the search bar. You know those videos that everyone seems to be crazy about? Yeah, the ones with millions and millions of views. People just can't get enough of them. So, look for those videos that have like over 10 million views. That's a good sign that people are really into them. Now here comes the fun part. Pick one of the videos that catch your eye. Take your time and choose something that you really like, because if you enjoy it, chances are others will too. And hey, don't limit yourself to just dance videos like I'm showing here. This trick works for all sorts of videos. Just make sure they're popular ones that lots of people are watching. Like seriously. There's so much more to explore. Just remember to stick to videos that everyone's watching. No point in going for the ones that no one cares about, right? After you found your video you're into, watch the whole thing. Just to make sure it's cool and all. But if it doesn't vibe with you, no worries. There's a ton of other stuff out there. Keep looking until you find something that clicks. Alright, once you've watched it and you're feeling good about it, take a screenshot. And guess what? You can do this on your phone or your computer. It's super easy either way. Now if you're not sure what video to go for, don't stress. Google's got your back. Just look up viral TikTok niches and you'll get a bunch of awesome ideas and keywords. Click on one of the results and boom, you'll have a bunch of trends to choose from. From ASMR to fit checks and way more. There's a whole bunch to explore. Trust me. Okay. Now that you've got your screenshot, let's hop over to Canva. If you're not signed up yet, don't worry. It's easy. Just hit the sign up button and use your Google, Facebook, or email to get started. Once you're in, click Create a Design and then choose Custom Size. Punch in 1080 by 1920 and click Create New Design. Got your design canvas ready? Awesome! Head to Uploads and add that screenshot you just grabbed. Hit Upload Files and select your image. It'll pop up on your canvas. Move it around and resize it however you like. Now let's jazz it up a bit. Click on Elements and drag in a cool shape. Play around with the size and color of that shape. You're the boss. This shape is gonna be home to some text. Speaking of text, hit that text icon and choose Add a Heading. Drop your text onto that shape. Type in something catchy like viral dance moves of 2023. And hey, feel free to switch up on the font and color. It's all about your style. Almost there. Hang tight. Time to add a play button. Return to Elements, search for a play button and drop it right in the middle of your image. Alright, high five. You've created your masterpiece. Time to grab it for the world to see and start that online money making magic. Hit share and then download. Give it a sec and your image will start downloading. Now let's talk about money. In the next step, I'll walk you through how we will use this cool image and that TikTok video to score some sweet cash online. It's all about that side hustle, earning online, and working from home. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Now if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Alright, let's talk about turning those TikTok videos into online moolah using Pinterest. Pinterest is this super popular website with tons of folk, especially from the US, checking it out every single day. So first things first, sign up and get yourself an account. Once you're in, hit Create and choose Create Pin. Now, click twice in the spot where you're supposed to upload your image. Just pick the image you whipped up earlier from your device. Easy peasy, right? Now in that add your title area, type in the title of your TikTok video. For example, I used Viral Dance Challenge. Don't forget to add a snazzy "Watch Now" to the title. As for the next part, you can leave it blank, no stress. Here's where it gets a bit tricky but cool. See that add destination link part? That's where you want to put a link that people will click to watch your video. And here's the catch. If you just throw in the original TikTok link, you won't be raking in any cash. Now, let me spill the beans on how to set up a link that'll get you money when someone clicks it. Pop over to shrinkme.io. That's the website you need. Start by clicking register and create your account. Fill in the usual stuff like your username, email, and password. They'll ask you to prove you're not a robot, then agree to their terms and privacy policy and hit register. Verify your email, log in, and ta-da! You're in. This is your dashboard. Cool, right? And guess what? You only need $5 to cash out from this place. They offer different ways to pay you, like Bitcoin and PayPal. Back to the dashboard, hit New Shorten Link, and paste your TikTok video link. Click Shorten, and you get this new, shorter link. Copy that link and hop back to Pinterest to paste it. Before you publish, you need to create a board. It's like a collection thing. Click the down arrow by Publish and choose Create Board. Name it whatever you want and then hit Create. Lastly, hit Publish and your stuff is live on Pinterest. But wait, sometimes Pinterest isn't keen on Shrink Me links. If that happens, don't worry. Use Linktree. It's like a middleman. Linktree is an online tool that simplifies sharing multiple links in one place. It's handy for individuals and businesses looking to share various online destinations like social media profiles, blogs, videos, and more. Linktree streamlines access to your content by providing a single link, making navigation easier for your audience. It's convenient for platforms with limited link space like Instagram. Plus, Linktree offers basic analytics to track link engagement, enhancing your online strategy. In a nutshell, Linktree showcases how technology helps us efficiently manage and share our online presence. It basically takes your Shrink Me link and swaps it for another link that Pinterest likes. But guess what? That link still leads to Shrink Me. Sneaky, right? So there you have it, folks. Whenever someone checks out your link, you add cash to your stash. It's like making money online, all from the comfort of your home sweet home. In a world where technology is evolving faster than ever, we find ourselves in a unique era where opportunities to make money online abound. This isn't just about scrolling through endless cat videos or sharing memes. It's a testament to our resourcefulness as individuals and our adaptability as a society. Through platforms like TikTok and Pinterest, we've unlocked a whole new realm of possibilities to earn money online. We've seen how a simple screenshot, a dash of creativity on Canva, and a shortened link on Shrink Me can transform a side hustle right from our homes. The power of the internet has truly democratized earning potential, allowing anyone with an idea and determination to turn it into a reality. It's fascinating how technology has become a bridge, connecting us to opportunities we might have never thought possible. Think about it. Just a few clicks, a pinch of imagination, and voila! We're putting our passions and interests to work, all from the comfort of our own space. Work from home isn't just a phrase, it's a tangible way to sustain ourselves, pay the bills, and even find financial freedom. Let's not overlook the ingenuity within us. We've found ways to monetize our hobbies, tap into trends, and leverage our creativity for more than just entertainment. We're not only navigating the digital landscape, but thriving within it. We're embracing change, making technology work for us, and uncovering the potential of online platforms to generate income. In the end, this is more than just about making money online. It's about empowerment. It's about individuals taking control of their financial destinies, forging their own paths, and building a future that aligns with their aspirations. The marriage of technology and our enterprising spirit has given birth to a new age of possibilities. And as long as we continue to innovate, adapt, and harness the tools at our disposal, our journey towards financial stability and success will continue to evolve. So here's to the digital age, where side hustle isn't just a buzzword, but a real avenue to achieve our dreams. Let's continue to embrace the ever-changing landscape of technology, uncover new ways to make money online, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. After all, when ingenuity meets technology, the sky's the limit. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.